Introducing the 2024 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque Dynamic, finished in stunning Carpathian Grey premium metallic with a luxurious leather interior. With just 13,470 miles. This Evoque delivers a great combination of luxury, technology, style, and all-wheel drive capability. One of the standout features is the power moonroof and power liftgate, which will add even more convenience and luxury to this stylish SUV. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, giving you a confident and comfortable driving experience. Inside, you'll also enjoy dual-zone automatic climate control, memory seating, and a power driver's seat, while features like automatic high-beam headlights, rear fog lights, traction control, and 4-wheel independent suspension add to the overall driving experience. With its sophisticated design and premium features, this 2024 Range Rover Evoque Dynamic is ready for its next adventure. Contact our dealership for more details.